if you change manually your thermostat settings with the plus and the minus, then this is only temporary, because it will show that in time left, how much time do you have that the schedule will be updating. If you don't want your thermostat that changes the temperature automatically, you have to lock it. And you can lock it by setting the temperature with the plus and minus what you want to achieve, and press the hold button in the bottom left corner of your thermostat. And that will lock. A key will appear, and then your temperature won't change until you press the set button. If you want to set up a schedule for your computer thermostat, press the set and the prog button simultaneously, so in the same time. Then the days on the top will appear and blinking. With the plus and the minus buttons, you can adjust and change between the days. Once you have the selected day, just press the prog again. Then you can select the time. By pressing the prog button, you can select the temperature, and with the plus and minus you can adjust it. And you can actually have multiple programs like for the morning, for the afternoon, for the night time. And once you've finished and all it is set for all of the days of the weeks, then simply just hit the set button and your settings is done. It is so simple. And finally, if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and leave your comments below that this video helped or it didn't help you. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.